Great. Holy. Today, we are really excited to perform this drop test. We're gonna drop 40-inch Padzilla Big Bertha running iOS 12. Dude, Neil, this is a really nice box. That looks just like an iPhone.
It is an iPhone. It's the new iPhone XL.
This is iOS 12?
Yeah.
You can download like apps from the App Store?
Yep. Yeah, access all the apps.
Dude,
This is awesome. Let's drop it.
Brett, you want to count it? All right, we'll go on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, there's barely any damage here at all. The touchscreen's still working, no broken glass.
Yeah, from up there, it looked like it was a lot worse.
So clearly iOS 12 didn't really stand the test here. You got some massive damage.
I think massive is a little bit of an understatement. I think this
nuclear
exploded.
damage.
I mean,
Yeah.
I thought the Android batteries would be bad. This is almost as bad.